Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today, this is for April 17, Wednesday, and right now it's already past the midnight, and kind of like busy and did not get to this one earlier. So meanwhile, I do have I would say the way that I'm going to do it would be changing. And rather than I manually kind of draw out those, I kind of like based on some idea that I share about that 50% retracement. So I created some like indicators here, and I think that this I would say this really makes sense. And in my view, this is how the energy got balanced. And when you're looking at the market as all these movement as a form of collective energies, and that's how that going to balance itself out. And it's somewhat kind of like your probably related to Fibonacci as well, but this is I would say conceptually pretty easy and to be able to kind of understand. I basically kind of came up lots of different kind of like the 50% retracement level. So looking at like today is we're gonna look at the overnight, and last night its market is going up and down, but it seems like this is really hard to kind of stick with. Almost like going all over the places, going up and down. But if we look at here, coming over here to market open, so after the market open, it's trying to go to the high, and if we look at it, this level, which is 50.80, and that's the level that's from the day before, like for Monday. That's a 50% retracement level from Monday, the lowest one. And however, the like a Tuesday, it was not to come back above there, and today it tried to get back above, but it did not. And if we pay attention to here, it's like after the market open, so basically it's about after 10 o'clock, and it broke down and move below 50%. This is basically the yellow line. That's the middle of the day current high and low of the day. So it started kind of taking out these 50% retracement level. So as we can see, this one is really did the damage really bad, and all the subsequent like a move, it seems like it was never really been able to go above like this 50% level, and this is probably the closest one. But I guess if I put on like a 1 minute, this is probably not even touching here. So with that said, it's yeah, actually it would be interesting to put it on, like I say, 1 minute. Just to look at that. So yeah, this one is, no, it's not. It moved pretty quickly, swiftly going down here. So it's almost kind of going along the other kind of 50% retracement level below the midpoint here, and it's keep going down, and apparently here is like a somewhat kind of almost like the acceleration. It's really breaking down, and it's almost like a crossing the 50% retracement level from this line to another 50% retracement level, and then by like after 11 o'clock it got even worse. It's really, and you can see here like after 12 o'clock it really way below here. However, later it was able to come back. And kind of it actually blew through the midpoint here, and always like almost kind of trying to come back over this that cyan color. That's actually the midpoint of previous day. So it was not able to get back above there, and basically kind of come back, and actually close in terms of close is very bearish, and it closed below all the 50% retracement level. That's pretty depressed, and it's similar yesterday. Yesterday is kind of it chopped a lot, and but it still kind of remain above at least one line here. So yeah, where to go from here? And I think the first it would need to get back above this midpoints, which is 43ish. So if we can kind of go above the midpoints here, which has that potential to do it tomorrow because of this level, it was able to get back to 50-55. But again, actually, what I recall is that this is another very important retracement level, and but in a several weeks from one other gap level to the top. So I guess that makes sense why it stopped here today. So it seems like this is going to be a very important level as well. So 50-55, and if say it's able to kind of go above, like take out this level and then this level and then this get back above this 50, 59 and 84, essentially it's like a 50 60 level, then it may come back to retest here and then see whether it could hold up around this area, like 50, 43 or 44 ish. And if say it can kind of stay above there, then likely market could come back. Probably here could be likely be the bottom, and at least would be the near-term bottom. So that would be interesting. And looking at the future right now, it actually went up a lot, and this is 5077 level. That's equivalent to about 50-30. I mean, it's almost like at this level. So 50-38 and 11 this level is equivalent to 50, 78, and 15. So it's getting really close to that level, and that's kind of like the gap level, and that one of the gap level. So I don't know. I feel like probably how I feel is that it's probably here, maybe the top for the overnight. We shall see what's going to happen like tomorrow, and it could push up a little bit here to this 5083 level, and if say no other kind of catalyst, and likely, well, actually yesterday it was able to push above this line, so we should see probably you probably need to look at this line. So we'll see what's going to happen tomorrow, and we could kind of quickly look at the calendar. I have not really paid attention to the earning release and things like that, but I guess it doesn't matter too much. Just go with the flow. Oops. I'll probably trouble with the. I don't think I have trouble with. It seems like this side have some issues, so I'm going to forgo the calendar update, and so I wish you all the best, and may you be with the energy all time. Thank you.